Number 1.
Double shower head. We all know the shower is the heart of the bathroom, and a great way to add an extravagant, spa-like touch is by adding a rainfall shower head. And it's not only about comfort and convenience. You can use this shower head for hydrotherapy by varying the temperature and water pressure.
Number 2.
Bamboo bath mat. A bamboo or cedar bath mat is eco-friendly and creates a spa-like experience, since spas and salons usually use natural materials. Fabric rugs, as a rule, become damp quickly, leading to mold. On the other hand, mats made of natural materials, such as wood and bamboo, don't retain water and, due to their gritted structure, dry quicker.
Number 3.
Mirror with a built-in shelf. A mirror with a built-in shelf isn't just a fashionable accessory that makes the space look pretty. It also adds much-needed storage space. You can use it to keep your favorite products at hand or place decorative items, like a vase with flowers or candles, to make it cozier.
Number 4.
Bath pillow. For those relaxing soaks after a long day of work, keep your head, neck, and back well supported with a comfy bath pillow. You won't have to rest your head on the hard bathtub ring or use a towel that tends to fall into the water. A bath pillow helps position your neck and back properly to minimize the risk of back injuries.
Number 5.
Housey plants. Nothing brightens up a boring bathroom like plants. Not only do they add beautiful pops of color, but they also freshen stale air and lift wilted spirits. Since most bathrooms don't have windows, they can be decorated with artificial flowers. And if you don't have much space, you can hang them from the ceiling or choose small blossoms and place them on any unused surface.
Number 6.
Smart speaker. Another vital element of a spa salon is relaxing music. Since it's not recommended to use a phone or other electronic devices in the bathroom, choose a waterproof Bluetooth speaker that can switch tunes using voice control. With this gadget in your bathroom, you'll want to stay in the bath for as long as possible.
Number 7.
Dispensers. Showers and tubs are often cluttered with shampoo and soap bottles. One way to encourage a minimal approach to bath products is coordinating your bottles. Transfer your shampoo and other products into a matching set of containers or dispensers. This way, your bathroom will look a lot neater.
Number 8.
Bathtub Caddy. Since you're probably planning on spending long hours unwinding in your bathtub, investing in a versatile wooden bathtub caddy is a great idea. Some caddies have slots for everything you need, including a tablet or book stand, phone stand, cup holder, wine glass holder, and even a storage area for your bath goodies.
Number 9.
Wooden bench. Bathrooms sometimes lack comfortable seats, so we end up leaning on the bathtub rim. If that sounds familiar, consider getting a small wooden bench. To save space, you can opt for a bench with storage shelves that doubles as a table for essentials.